guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I have not posted over here in a long time and nobody will probably see this video since the channel's inactive, but I was out riding around today and I ran across something that just really sort of just broke my heart. And you'll see coming up here, I found Nautical nonsense. I thought they were going to fix it up and use it was what we talked about when they got it, but there she is. As you can see, she's in bad shape. It looks like they've been stripping parts off of her, and looks like it's been laying on its side for quite some time. Looks like maybe the window's missing on the port side. But I seen it through the trees, and I was just out happened to ride down this road, and I seen it through the trees, and I tried to get down to it, but the property where it's at is chained off, and it's got no trespassing signs and do not enter, and look like a dog and everything else. So, but not sure why I'm posting this video. I guess just to share my grief with everybody. It's really sad. I wished I had the dock space and the time and the funds. I would maybe try to rescue it, but my wife would absolutely kill me. But as you can see, you would have to totally gut it and just start all over, or maybe turn it into a tiny home or something, or put outboards on it. But there she is, and if somebody don't do something soon, that'll probably be picked up and crushed. Not sure why, like I said, not sure why I'm sharing this, but anyhow, just wanted to post it. If you want, check us out on our other channel, TGIF365. It's totally different than boat work. Thank you guys.
Sing your song. Sing your song.
Hang on. Hold on the wall and we're gonna die of cancer. On the wall. We're backing up all the way to the top. We're backing up. We're backing up. Backing up all the way. We're backing up all the way to the top. We're backing up. We're backing up. Backing up all the way.